Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video. I'm machining a gear off a lathe carriage where it engages with the rack on a normal manual lathe, and I don't have gear cutters, and I'm using just a little 2mm ball nose and doing a step over toolpath, and then using a 4th axis without a motor like a manual rotary table. So in here, so focus that. So this is what the actual toolpath is doing. Give me a sec. Okay, there's the actual toolpath. So it's all pretty small. It's just going back and forth and back and forth. Then over here, there's the progress of cutting it. Just turn my coolant back on. And then I'll pause it for a sec. Okay. Just going back and forth. And then looking here, here's my two machines. There's the new one, and there's the old one.